What's up guys, 14 Silver X, and we are working on asteroids. So last time when we left off, there were some rocks. We could shoot them. They could not hurt us yet. And stuff and more stuff. So now we need to make rocks hurt us. I believe they kill us in one hit, if I'm not mistaken, which I usually am mistaken. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm actually going to do is I'm going to search more about asteroids. Oh, so actually right now I'm uploading my project thing where we finished Doodle Jump, because the last step was just fairly simple. And actually I can upload the other video right now. Hold on a sec. Alright, and I must do my traditional check that we are recording, and we should be recording. So, asteroids. Arcade game. Let's look on YouTube. Here we go. So the rocks don't really move as fast. Oh, but there are small rocks. And the big ones make smaller rocks. And it looks like the shots warp around the room, but they don't go on forever. Yeah. And the room looks a lot bigger. There's a UFO. Oh, and UFOs shoot at you. He's just standing in the middle. I guess that's that. Oh my god. Is he just like trying to go for some achievement by just staying in the middle? Or something? I don't know, but I get the point. Alright, so first off, our room size is pretty good. We can just make the ship smaller. So I'm going to edit this, right? And I'm just going to make new. And let's change the dimensions to like width 32, height like this. And we zoom in, do that, find the middle thing, go like that, and do some of that, and put it like here-ish. Same for this side. Ta-da! Yay! And actually we're going to make these lines a little bit thicker, because we want it to rotate well and still look decent. And then we can erase color like that. Alright. Let's center that and go back in, and rotation counterclockwise. What was it, 72? I think we had it. Oh, that's a problem. Resize your canvas. Do not keep the ratio 32. That is still a problem. Undo. First, you resize the canvas, putting that at 32. Then we can do our rotation counter clockwise. 72. Okay. There we go. Center. All right. And the bullets are fairly large. We can make those smaller though. Except, how fast did they go? They go pretty fast. But it looks like they sort of... I don't know. Well, I guess we could actually keep this. If you want to make them smaller, be my guest. Alright, so the rocks, they don't move that fast. I mean, it depends on the size and stuff. So Rock Maker, speed 10. These are medium-ish. 6. Alright, the shot. Outside a room, we actually warp in both directions, but now when we create alarm 0, 100, then alarm 0, destroy yourself. Alright, that's too long. Psh, 50. Pew. That's a little bit better. Still too much. 45, 40. I mean, yeah, why not? How much to do in this video? Then again, like, this room is like a whole lot larger. Yeah, they sort of go through because it's even a large room and stuff. Actually, let's make... Wait, hold on. Let's go back one. See, this one's all square-like. No, it's also rectangular-like. Alright, so let's change our room a bit. So, settings and stuff. Width 1000. Right, so now we have to change Rock Maker properties. The Y, that didn't change. So we want top. Wait, what was it? It was like 16. So 16 minus 1000. That's easy. Yeah, I got it that time. Save that. And run that. And full screen that. Alright, a little bit better. Except they don't really carry as much anymore. Alright, they sort of do. Pew, 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 pew. I am firing my lasers at you. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, pew, pew. Ooh, important. Remember that sometimes when you hold down too many keys, some other keys don't work. I don't know if this is just for my keyboard or something. But see, I'm holding down up and left. I can't shoot. Up and right, however, I can shoot. It's very weird. Like, let me just test this. So if I hold A, S, D, F, and G, yep, spacebar doesn't work. Getting rid of G, however, does. Getting rid of D, A, F. So if I hold G, nope, that's fine. So it looks like only a maximum of 4 keys can be pressed at a time, except arrow keys seem to be an exception. However, if you hold down WASD, alright, we are going to make some changes. Arrow keys suck for some reason. I wonder why, though. I wonder if we use scripts, if that would change. I don't know. Instead, let's try WASD. Or maybe because they're not bound to the game. I don't know. Let's try it. Let's change left to A. Letters A. Down, we can change to S. Right, we can change to D. Up is W. Let's try that. So yeah, WASD seems to work. I don't know what this really means, but yeah. And I think our shots need to definitely go faster. So, see, the thing is, if they're smaller and they go faster, they could possibly jump over stuff. Actually, we can easily modify that. Alright, so let's edit this. Transforming, resize canvas, maintain origin, and keep aspect ratio. My dog wants to go outside, even though it's raining and the dog was already outside. Alright, let's see what happens when we... This sort of works, I guess. Yeah, I guess I can dig this. Alright, so actually, these should be the small asteroids. Because they're about the size of the ship. Let me make sure. Shloomp. Yeah. Well, the small ones are a little bit smaller. So yeah, this will be a sort of smallish one. So that's good. So let's first make the rocks damage us. So when we collide with the rock, nope, change that, a rock parent, we die. And we restart the room. And we'll just put in some effect. What else should we do? We should maybe add lives, just for the heck of it. So score. So lives. 3. Yeah, we can do score. Actually, we don't want to do that. Hold on. Delete. We want to make a score object. Score. Create. Here is where we put stuff and stuff. Alright. Then we're going to add a draw. Or we're going to draw the lives. Actually, yeah, draw, and it will be a ship. Let's give it a sprite, but make it invisible. Alright, and then we can like stick our score thing right about here. And test it out. So, according to that thing, we have what, 0 lives? Draw lives as an image. Maybe because I should turn visibility on. There we go. Okay. Now, I'm going to get hit with a rock. So delete that. Actually, we go, how about we do this? We set alarm 0 to 100, right? And we change, no. We can just do an instant restart. Okay, so let's jump to random, while at the same time reducing the lives by -1. And then we check lives. If it's equal to 0, put the blocks, show the high score table. And restart the game, which is here. Alright. So we go pew pew. Oh, I got destroyed, but I jumped. That's one problem. We should have like spawn invincibility or something. Ah! So let's see. Let me just die. Where'd I go? Yep, and then there's that thing. Alright. For each rock, we're going to create a score factor, or an S factor. This is when we destroy the rock, how many points we get. So the smaller rock's score factor can be like, because if you hit a bigger rock, it goes into many smaller rocks. So this one could be like 10. So that when the shot hits a rock, we say score, new score is other.sFactor relative. And in the scorekeeper, we can make the score and stuff like that. So now we have our score up there. Whoops. And our X or S factor is working. Ah! So yeah, that works. Alright, here, let's have some spawn invincibility for a second. So what we do, actually, is when we collide with that, and delete that, we're going to destroy. Unless like the game's over. So we're going to destroy, but in the score thing, we're going to set the alarm, an object score, to like 55. Right. So alarm 0 to score to 55, right? Okay. And then in the create event, we're going to set our own alarm 0 to 1. No, to cancel that. We're going to make this invis to 1, which means we're invincible. Collision with rock parent. If invis is equal to 1, destroy the other, else put the blocks. Yeah. So the other gets destroyed, but we don't get any points. Oh, important part. Put the alarm 50 and alarm 0. When alarm 0 happens, invis is equal to 0. Alright, and then in score, alarm 0, it creates the player at 800, 400, middle of the room. Alright, let's try it out. Keep on forgetting I put WASD as the controls. Oh! Oh yeah, it wasn't. It's a bit too far. It's like 450 actually. So let's try out the invincibility thing. Ah, I could have tried it out. But no. I sucked. Oh, and now it's too late. Kill me now! Wow. You. Yes, you. No. My invincibility. Why can't I go backwards? Does backwards not work? Hold on. S speed. Alright. Ugh. No. It's weird. I'm just like trying to die. Come here. Yes. Alright, so that works. So then we know that works now. Yay! Pew 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 pew. Ultra Mega Hacksaw Rapid Fire. Alright. More rocks. So why don't we make a new sprite? And what was this? That was 32 by 32. This one will be... should we make it double? Perhaps not yet. 48 by 48. Dun, dun, dun! And a sloop, 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 sloop. Ta-da! And let's make ours a bit more decent than the one in the actual game. Erase color, get rid of. Alright. Center that. Rock 2. Now rock 2 should split into like 2 smaller rocks. So let's make a small rock. rock 0. Alright. So let's duplicate for a rock 2. And duplicate for rock 0. And your factor should be like bigger. So it's 15. And you're still very admirable, but still, it was 5. Pesky little buggers. Alright, so rock 2. When it collides with a shot, right, it's going to get destroyed, yes, but let's just delete that. It said shot 1, no. Yes. No. Yes. Alright. Delete. Instead, say 1. Other. And who put rock 1? Psh, rock parent. And destroy self. I hear a thunderstorm a-brewing. So, why don't we make this a little bit quicker? Yeah. Alright, so basically, alarm 0, basically for you, means die. Right? And same thing for rock 0. Alarm 0, die. You, on the other hand, alarm 0 means to create a rock 0 at relative with speed random I random underscore range those things moved pretty fast. 7 to 11, not including 11. Direction. There we go. I'll create 2 of those, and then it will destroy itself. Okay. Let's... Oop, nope, nope. No. Rockmaker. Alright, so... Copy. Paste. Alright, yeah. So now we just have to make more of this. There's probably a more efficient way to do this, and I'd probably like to find it, but I'm just too lazy. And even though it might be lazier to just look for the efficient way, you still have to look for it. like other games where I'm really serious about it, I'll be super organized. And then eventually it'll just like stop being super organized and then I'll organize it again later, but it's like on and off. No. Get out of that. Get that. Copy. Paste. 20. Are my dogs growling at the thunder? Hold on 1 second. I think the answer is yes. They're... Okay. So now our rock maker makes rocks. Ooh! Ooh! I forgot how to move for a second. You can't kill me because I made the game, and the small rocks are just zooming around like not a care. Oh god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This game is already, so much fun. Pew pew pew. Pew 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 pew. Pew 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 pew. Ah! No! God dang it! Alright. We need to know. We need to make an explosion when we die. You know? Player die. Edit sprite. 64 tab 64. Okay. And what does the magic wand do? Is that like a sprinkle tool? Nope. Spray paint. There we go. What happens? No, not what I was looking for. Nope. 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 What is spray paint for? Ah! Is that what we need? No, we need like that. The other spray paint thing. That makes like random dots all over the place. So I don't have to make random dots myself. No, you can hardly even see that. That's pretty cool though, but that's not what I want. Looks like we're gonna have to make our dots. You know what? I don't want to make the dots. Instead, I'm gonna go to accessories, paint. Then I'm going to go to my properties and pixels 64. Alright. Then I'm going to paint this black. And I'm going to look for that thing. See? Yes. What's the size? Let's make the smaller size. That's not really. Yeah. And select all, and then I go copy. I go into GameMaker. I forget you. I cut you, and I paste. No, because when you cut, of course. Jeez, stupid. Copy. Paste. Oh! And yeah, so I'll have to finish that some other time. But thank you for watching. We'll go over the graphic stuff, and then we'll start adding we'll add like the huge rock, the UFO, more like rock breaking graphics. And then we'll move on to multiplayer stuff. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to save your game. Please subscribe if you already subscribed. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.